WhatsApp is crucial, and losing chat history can be stressful. So, how can you back up WhatsApp on iPhone seamlessly? We'll explore practical methods to back up WhatsApp to PC, Mac, iTunes, iCloud, or email. Part 1. How to back up WhatsApp on iPhone using iCloud. Way 1. Back up WhatsApp on iPhone automatically. Open WhatsApp. Go to Settings, Chats, Chat Backup. Tap Auto Backup and choose Daily, Weekly, or Monthly. Your chat history will be backed up regularly and can be restored anytime. Way 2. Back up WhatsApp on iOS manually. 1. Open WhatsApp on your iPhone and visit Chat Settings. 2. Click Chat Backup. Backup now. 3. Choose iCloud to back up chat history manually. Part 2. How to take WhatsApp backup from iPhone with iTunes. Connect your iPhone to your computer via USB. Open iTunes. Select your device icon, then Summary. Choose this computer and click Backup Now. Part 3. How to get chat backup in WhatsApp and iPhone over email. Open WhatsApp. Select the chat to backup. Tap the contact or group name, then export chat. Choose Attach Media or Without Media. Email it to yourself, and save the chat from your email. Part 4. How to back up WhatsApp on iPhone if iCloud is full via WhatsApp transfer. iTunes, iCloud, and email backups can affect your device. For a seamless WhatsApp backup, try WhatsApp Transfer. It's reliable for backup and migration across platforms. How to get chat backup in WhatsApp and iPhone with WhatsApp Transfer. Step 1. Launch WhatsApp Transfer on a computer. Free download the program and install it on your computer. Open the software and click WhatsApp. Backup WhatsApp messages. Next, connect your iPhone to the computer via USB. Step 2. Scan and back up your WhatsApp content. The tool will detect your device and begin to scan items on it. After that, it will back up your WhatsApp data automatically. Step 3. Select WhatsApp content to view. Check the backup WhatsApp files you just made by clicking the View button from the list and pressing the Next button. Step 4. Backup WhatsApp on iPhone to computer. You will see the chat list and WhatsApp attachments. Choose whatever you want to back up and tap Recover to Computer or Recover to Device as per your requirements.